Who here wants a career where you find yourself completely at the mercy of a boss you don't like, in a job you hate, and then to find yourself at the end of your career frustrated with the path you took? No one is raising their hand? All right.
This morning we have Mark Shapiro. He's a TEDx speaker and impact strategist with more on a phenomenon called kindfluence.
Oh, I should probably put this away.
The work that Mark is doing is radically important.
You look at the state of the world today, you look at the state of business, you look at the state of social media. If not kindness, what are we influencing?
Value-based influence is going to be the way of the future. And here are 3 of my favorite ways to do it. Number 1, be giving. There is this notion you need to be ruthless, you need to be shrewd. The most successful people are actually givers, people who go out of their way to help others. Number 2, be proactive and reach out to people you appreciate or want to get to know. About 4 years ago, some random guy I met at a networking event sent me a video message saying it was nice to meet me. That video inspired me to send 8,000 personalized video messages. That's the power of influence.
Oftentimes in our achievement-based culture, we'll get love and acknowledgement and support when we accomplish something big or we have a major life event. But what about every other day of the year?
And number 3, be real. What no longer works is manipulation. What no longer works is forceful agendas. Patagonia, Warby Parker, and Tom's. They are all about being caring, helpful, and authentic, making a positive impact not only in their profits and for their customers, but making an impact in the world. This is my invitation for you guys to challenge the status quo. In fact, that's what we're going to do right now.
I love when Mark shares. I think it's a perfect combination of information and experience.
Very grabbed by 7 billion trillion people, and there's one of you, and are you being authentic? And like automatically I was like, no, I'm not. I'm trying, but I'm getting there.
Based on what I saw afterwards in the audience, your talk was probably the most influential. I saw so many people buzzing about it. It was one of the only topics that they remembered. There is a lot of gold in giving people just useful advice that they can take away.
Hey Carrie, I see on Facebook that it's your birthday today, and I wanted to send you some serious love for the year ahead with this incredibly random video. And I've got some friends that want to say hi too. 1, 2, 3, happy birthday, Carrie!